Unknown individuals vandalized protest shed at MU Gate this morning. Construction items of the shed reportedly stolen. All Manipur United Clubs organization observes the 21st Manipur Integrity Day at the Hall of Manipur Dramatic Union in Yai School. And Working Committee on Updation of NRC in Manipur draws attention of government to update NRC list of Manipur to check entry of illegal migrants. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. I'm Joyce Rusham with the top stories and latest news at this hour. Protest shed of Manipur University community set up at Manipur University Gate to carry out the ongoing relay hunger strike, demanding removal of Vice Chancellor Professor A.P. Pandey was vandalized by unknown miscreants early this morning. Some of the construction items of the shed were also reported to be stolen. On the other hand, an executive member of Manipur University Students' Union, Musu Moirangthem Khangemba, was arrested by personnel of Kakwa police station from his rental residence in Kiamgai early this morning. Despite the recent commotion, General Secretary of Musu, L. Kennedy, reiterated that the sole demand of Musu, Muta and Musa remains unchanged. Speaking exclusively to Impact News, Kennedy asserted that the movement by Manipur University community in demand for removal of VC Pandey is a democratic one. He alleged the government of trying to show the movement in a bad light and termed it unfortunate that no resolution has been brought to the 66 days old democratic movement. Kennedy also clarified that there is no relation whatsoever to granting of leave to VC Pandey and their sole demand. He reiterated that their demand is complete removal of the VC, and the VC going on leave is not a new issue. Refuting certain talks doing round in a bid to malign their movement, the General Secretary asserted that the university community is ready for any discussion to make one understand what their sole demand is.
Lanada, Masakang the Basina, Yama Democratic Education Relay Hunger Strike, Oribo Mapamzi, Sidok Piramaga, Hui Wak Tambiramaga, Hui Tin, Adagi, Carpet Amadi, Magi platform, Sishing Jack, Masakang the Karano Huran Bigre, Karano Hurali, Bono Karito, Sibo claim to Lake. Huralagasu, Yam Tamoising, Yam Maxing Huran views in the Pinatoriba Education, the Karipam, the Biauge, Hurali, Bakambuduna, Aquina Taliba Education, the Mogi Pen Pentado, I could get Tadokio, Aduga, Hurali Bagi Maramdo, Among Sendopiro, Siem the appeal to the Hangzaniba, Man, Bishina Masano, Hogi lip letter do, Aduga, Aquina Talia, Bishi Topio, Haziga, Karimay, Aquina Taliban 95% the Kaidan of Yaosi. Siem Samagna, I could Unaga solution, Borkan have to, that I have to notice some Tosi like the force of Silaki Mongi, Hogi Emu community, except of Sumong.
Despite the demolition of the shed, volunteers of Musu, Muta and Musa continued their relay hunger strike in demand for ousting of Vice Chancellor Professor A.P. Pandey inside MU campus today. Taking part in the protest, mate T.H. Bharat, a protester, asserted that the movement of Manipur University community will continue until and unless VC A.P. Pandey is permanently removed. He expressed disappointment at the appointment of a registrar of the university as an acting VC. Bharat questioned why the National Science Congress was held in Manipur University, despite the allegation on the university as a haven for insurgents.
Hi, Huzik Nahan, acting VC ma registrar na hapkibudu yamna Koigi University member in a Pienza Power, the Vice Chancellor si Loktoba, Natraga suspend over Sigi Pandam, Pangriva, the Koi Dum Lieutenant Insurgency from the Hierga, Kari Maram Demota, Osmania University, security reason Maram Oerga, Indian Science Congress say, security Maram Oerga, Manipur University Haiba, den of insurgency that Gedobita whole Lebanon Habse, Messi Miamda, Yama Chauba Wahangama, Oerga Lagani, a Tamzani.
National Student Union of India NSUI Manipur State Unit has strongly condemned the failure to bring a proper solution to the current deadlock of Manipur University crisis and the possible threats to the territorial integrity of the state upon reaching a conclusion to Indo-Naga Framework Agreement. NSUI Manipur State Unit staged a sit-in in this regard in front of Congress Bhavan, Imphal today. President of NSUI Manipur State Unit P. Bankim Chandra termed the whimsical nature of handling the university crisis instead of bringing a definite resolution to restore normalcy in the university as unfortunate. He also asserted that NSUI will not remain silent if the state's integrity is threatened in the wake of various articles being incorporated in the Naga Accord.
War-like situation nama puraga ekoi Manipur kaiba yabagi phibam da lahanba taragadi gi NSUI gi ekoi gi Manipur state group na so angamba thakra ekoi state integrity gi damakta unity and peace gi damakta fight tawjagani upcoming special session ekoi Manipur gi assembly kauri basida yamna marik chumna all ruling and opposition khuding makna ekoi khana naina biraga praja mayamna ekoi leita dana leiriba hangnariba question mayam se state sokadra soidra Karamba maong masina akaiba pirakadage haibagi question mayam asigi chap chaba answer akoi handaki assembly sida pibigadamni.
All Tribal Students Union Assam wants the government of undertaking various actions if it fails to resolve the MU crisis by August 6. Speaking to media persons at Assam's office at Adim Jati Ashram complex in Chingmerong, General Secretary of the Union Saiboy Haukip maintains that a joint meeting between members of Assam Kuki Students Organization and All Naga Students Association Manipur have resolved to urge relevant authorities to restore the academic atmosphere of the university before August 6. He maintains that since VC Pandey has been granted a month's leave, it would be prudent to restore normalcy in the university even though agitation is carried out on the sidelines. He said it would be a colossal loss for the students of the university and the state at large if the deadlock continues.
VC Pandey so 30 days leave pithoaga ngahak tangi damak thoabani so that fact finding committee na mogi thabak free and transparent manner da investigation chat thaba yanaba 30 days leave da thado abani at sumna appeal toning basidi mayam si Fazani yengaga university si athuba matamda hangdoga academic atmosphere restore toga class fazana resume to hannaba mayamna changsin laga tawbiu natradi satra mangi do bosi yaman khre more than 8,000 plus students results ngairaga mathang chat thaba yadana sum leirabnina government natraga authority concerned singna that 6th August 2018 gi numichida University Hangdradi Ekoiso. We will take our own course of action so that Manipur University is opened and classes resume in the university.
All Manipur United Clubs Organization Amuko observed the 21st Manipur Integrity Day at the Hall of Manipur Dramatic Union in Yai School today. It may be recalled that Amuko organized a mass rally against any threats to the territorial integrity of Manipur on August 4, 1997. During the mass movement, one individual from Bishnupur district and another from Thoubal district sacrificed their lives for the cause. In commemoration of the day, Amuko has been observing Manipur Integrity Day every year since then. The surviving family members of the martyrs, namely Laistram Romeo from Moirang Thana in Bishnupur district, Jamaluddin and Nawaz Khan from Yaripok Singh in Thoubal district, were felicitated with gifts on the occasion. A 2-minute silence was also observed in homage to the departed souls. Leaders of various civil society organizations attending the event spoke on the various plights brought on to the people of the state since the merger of Manipur with the Indian Union. They also stressed on the social unrest created by communal disharmony in the state. Speakers in the event also highlighted the sacrifices made by the 18 brave hearts who sacrificed their lives in the June 18 uprising of 2001 in the state against the Bangkok Agreement signed between the Indian government and the NAC&IM, which contained the three words, "without territorial limit." The leaders reiterated their staunch decision of fighting against any threats to the territorial integrity of Manipur. Floral tributes were also offered at Integrity Pillar near Manipur State Museum in connection with Manipur Integrity Day today. Representatives of various CSOs, political parties and leaders of different communities took part in the event. Speaking on the occasion, President of AMUCO, P.H. Deban, recalls the mass rally that took out on August 4, 1997, following the peace talk between NAC&IM and the Government of India that started on August 1, 1997, which posed a threat to the territorial integrity of the state. He mentioned that over 5 lakh people belonging to different communities of the state took part in the rally and took pledge to stand united and protect the integrity of the state on the day.
Manipur kaiba yaroi apunbagi saktam thugaiba yaroi haiba yamna phajaba wakhalondu miyamna adumai laukibani ana madugi kholau sing adu na maram oiraganda aikhoigi aduguma numit adu ningsing boina chahi khudingi August ki tang mari se Manipur Integrity Day haidana palan tawraga adumai lakchabani adugumlaba Manipur miyamgi apunba saktamda Manipur gi ngamkhai da singnaba hujik su leptri ana hena mayak sengalai ana hujik Manipur miyamna amatoina lepminaraganda Manipur kannanaba khoi tongan ba ihogsing mayam ama hujik changjin ba horiba changjaliba mayam chingase masidai da khoi khu sendana khoi punna yauminasi.
There is a demand for National Register of Citizenship (NRC) list in Manipur, much like that of Assam, to check illegal migrants in the state. Convener of Working Committee on Updation of NRC in Manipur, a conglomerate of Democratic Students Alliance of Manipur Desam, Apunba Iribaki Mahiroi Singpanglup Ames, and All Naga Students Association Manipur Ansam. Namairakpam Edison intimated the same to media persons at Ames office in Kwaketel this afternoon. He said efforts are being taken worldwide to save indigenous inhabitants. Edison reminded that even the state of Assam published its second and final draft of National Registrar of Citizenship (NRC) on July 30. He also said over 40 lakh people were excluded from the list, and there are apprehensions that the excluded ones might enter Manipur as illegal migrants. Edison stressed the need for the government of Manipur to take precautionary measures in the wake of the situation. He demanded the government to come up with an NRC list for Manipur at the earliest, much like that of Assam, to check illegal migrants. He maintains opening of checkposts in some areas cannot check illegal migrants. Edison, who is also the vice president of Desam, said the three associations, namely Desam, Ames and Ansam, have been demanding the same since last year. He urged the government to come up with an NRC list for Manipur to save its indigenous people and resources. He said the committee will resubmit its application for the same to the government on August 6.
Manipur also Assam tawkhibasi chap manana akhoi NRC se updation tawnanabagi maru oiba darkar laiba thabak thoromsing khongthangsing Manipur government ki maikai dagi lakhotgadabani ningthokaba numisida desu kana mamangda February ki tang kulhumdo de pisankhiba akhoi memorandum sigi reminder amasu amuk ningthokaba numita masi akhoi pisanjaraga hariba Manipur dasu masigi NRC se updation tawnanabagi demand je akhoi amuhana Manipur government amasi akhoi remind tawjagani.
Taking part in the press meet, former president of Ansam and member of Working Committee on Updation of NRC, said Satsang lauded the initiative taken by the Manipur government in forming a committee to review and update the NRC. However, he maintains that merely forming a committee will not curb entry of illegal migrants into the state. He further urged the government to establish a population commission at the earliest and warned of adopting various forms of movement if the government fails to pay heed to their demand.
Huji government of Manipur the census department machine kya oire, family kya oire, yumlak kya oire, khun kya oire, habigi census lobo ane. Adubo sida yellow me habigi mi top se native se kanano, mi top se kanano habigi jo machine habangam teba. Aduna population commission habigi set up to wada kali. Hoi memorandum bisin give do. Masi updation ki process si how biro and commissions is set up to biro. And we still demand or we still pressurize the government of Manipur to immediately set up a commission.
Technopal District Police has taken strict security measures at Moray to check the entry of illegal migrants into the state. The security measures were taken up following the announcement of the list of a national registration of citizens NRC in Assam. Large number of police personnel have been deployed in various checkposts in Moray and different places of Technopal district to identify people entering and exiting the state. A team of Technopal police led by SP Dr. Ezibom Chai is also currently conducting checking operations at the main checkpost near Kondong Lairembi Khubam in Moray. Securities were beefed up in the district starting from Indo-Myanmar Friendship Gate number 2 to Muslim Basti, from Gate number 2 to Indo-Myanmar Friendship Bridge, Gates number 1 and other important checkposts near Technopal and Machi police station.
Manipur government na ngarang order khara akoida tharakhiba adugi matungina akoisi akoigi illegal immigrants sing changakpa amasung leibasing akoigi monitor tawnobi damakta akoi Technopal district police ki oina su akoi team manga semjare team manga asi team mamana Kondong Lairembi sigi check post da lairani team mamana gate number 2 to Muslim Basti team mamana gate number 2 to Indo-Myanmar Friendship Bridge ohum aduga Kogi Technopal gi check post ama aduga machi da ama manga si tawkanda khoi ngasi dagi khoi thabak kana howa hogre lone bab checking hojiksu mayamna ubis ne khoi checking je kana hore aduga sida any illegal immigrants laiba aduga lakpa punamak to khoi sida detect tongna na khoi kana honari aduga masi OC ama natragana additional SP natragana khoi gi DSP ama natraga SDPO sigi level da mokhoi supervise tawani.
Acting on a tip-off, a team of anti-smuggling unit, Customs Division Imphal seized 8 gold biscuits worth around 39 lakhs, 53,456 rupees today. The team seized the gold biscuits from 2 individuals at Wahing Laikai Jiribam taxi parking area of Imphal West District around 7:30 this morning. The gold smugglers are identified as Amit Kumar Verma, 40 years from Bagalpur of Bihar, and Rajat Soni, 26 years from Hooghly of West Bengal. They were trying to smuggle out the gold from Imphal to Kolkata via Silchar. A case was registered against them and investigations are underway. Proscribed outfit Kangleipa Communist Party Military Council Progressive in a press release stated that the party observed its 11th Raising Day at its general headquarters today. The chairman of the party, leaders and communist Red Armies attended the observance. Chairman of the party, Chinkei Kuman, appreciated his fellow members for being a formidable force in fighting for independence from the government of India. He also urged the people of the state to join hands to bring about a prosperous and united Manipur. Floral tributes were offered to the deceased members of the party on the occasion. Now moving ahead, it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on ban imposed on export of agriculture and horticulture products from Myanmar to Manipur, hampering trade on both sides. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. After the break, you're watching Primetime English News. The ban imposed on the export of agriculture and horticulture products from Myanmar to Manipur is affecting traders on both sides. Apples, oranges, mangoes, onions, garlics, lentils, etc. were banned from being imported into the state since the past 2 to 3 days. Several loaded vehicles are stranded at Moray parking after the ban came into effect. Traders of Namphaalong Bazaar, Myanmar, are also facing serious economic inconveniences as a result. Sources of Impact News stated that there has been no official notice regarding the same. However, the ban came into effect following words of mouth by top government officials, although no reason behind the ban, although reason behind the ban is still unknown. Speaking to Impact News, General Secretary of Border Trade Center of Commerce, Surinder Singh Patheja, stated that traders are facing a lot of hardships as a result of the restriction. A report just came in that some of the vehicles loaded with items stored by businessmen before the ban will be allowed to ship into Imphal today. Representatives of Border Trade Center of Commerce are currently in Imphal to hold talks regarding the matter with the authorities concerned.
मेरा ख्याल में तो ये बहुत गलत हो रहा है। इसका कारण भी कोई भी डिपार्टमेंट ठीक से नहीं बता सकता कि क्यों बंद किया है। क्या पेस्टिसाइड की वजह से है या महंगा पड़ता है या क्या बात है, इसका कोई कारण नहीं बता पा रहे वो लोग। तो इनको तो कम से कम एक रास्ता देना चाहिए, क्योंकि ये लोग मेन लाइन में, मेन स्ट्रीम में काम कर रहा है, और अगर ये लोग का काम बंद हो जाएगा तो ये लोग फिर गलत रास्ता में आ जाएगा। तो इससे जो है सरकार को भी तकलीफ होगा और पब्लिक को भी तकलीफ होगा।
Socialist Students Union of Manipur (SSUM) has expressed apprehension that government departments will be degraded in the wake of the visible involvement of politics in the works of the Education Department. The union maintains that there are irregularities regarding the location and construction of government schools following the order issued by the government. Speaking to media persons at the press meet at SSUM's office today, President of the union, N. Sanahal, maintained that Nacho Manning Primary School was one of the 88 primary schools which the government sanctioned funds for construction. The school, which was supposed to be built at Nacho Panthong, was constructed at Gokul Junior High School in Kha Potsangbam. He intimated that Pradhan of Nacho Panthong, including inhabitants of the area, had even registered the land under the school's name. However, a group of individuals plotted and constructed the said school at the wrong location. Sanahal said people of the locality have repeatedly filed complaints to the Chief Minister and the authorities concerned to build Nacho Manning Primary School at the location allotted by the government, but to no avail. Speaking further, N. Sanahal urged the government to take adequate actions against a group of individuals who are undertaking the responsibility of construction and repair of schools without the approval of the school headmaster or the school management committee. He warned of vandalizing the poor quality schools constructed by these unauthorized individuals if the government fails to take adequate measures at the earliest.
Tauning bada tauba loina school asi mong marin tadana sum leiragadi akoi hujik leiriba Manipur lainga ke school asi sidarakpa gi maram chauna maram am oi aduna loina na SSM gi maikai gi thamjaning madi makha tana repairing tauba sidai sida akoi mong marin tana phajan taubiu taram dawa taragadi school mari leina ba department da amadi minister na wakalaga tawun repairing asi akoi thugai jagani nong namuk repairing tauna ba hana moina tawuni mong marin tadan tawuni ba repairing asi makha tana SSM gi mioi singna thugai jagani.
Justice Committee for Anglo-Manipuri War 1891, martyrs and victims of Kanglei Park will observe Patriots Day on August 13 to pay tribute to the heroes of the state who fought against the British during the Anglo-Manipuri War of 1891 at Manipur Press Club. Speaking to media persons at IPSA office in Kashampa today, Vice Chairman of the committee, Yumnamcha Dilip Kumar, said the committee began the memorial observance in March this year by retracing the history of the freedom fighters who sacrificed their lives in the battle. He said floral tributes have been offered at different fields where the battle was fought. Dilip Kumar appeals to people of the state to take part in the observance.
yamna chaurba mapangan thauna utna miyamgi damukta lanthengna khibasibu nikshingaga aikoina asigumba 13 August asi paktokadori bani 1991 gi lamthamna thawai kerkrabasing miyamna sakhangaba amasung khangriba punamase thigat pirakanda handaksi Chief Minister N. Birena, Porumbar Hospital gi mamangda sakriba lambi asi pukham raka jaw haidana adugi lambi sig maming thonbi kiba ama aduga loinana sijo hospital tariba lambi asibuna chirai thangal naga haidana lambi asigi maming thonbi kibase Justice Committee na Manipur miyamgi mahut sinjaraga lairiba state government asina miyamgi ihul khangna tawbirpa asigi damukta su hena thagatba phongdukchari.
The newly elected chairperson, vice chairperson and councillors of Lamshang Nagar Panchayat were accorded warm receptions by BJP Manipur Pradesh today. Vice President of BJP Manipur Pradesh, Salam Joy, and General Secretary Administration K. Sarat Kumar gave warm reception to Lamshang Nagar Panchayat's Chairperson Aribam Thaja, Vice Chairperson Usham Sorodhani Lema, Lamshang Nagar Panchayat Ward Number 8's Councillor Laishram Bedabati, Ward Number 2's Councillor Mutum Thadoi Lema, and Ward Number 3's Councillor Thaunaujam Surjit at Pandit Din Dayal Upadhyaya Auditorium of BJP Manipur Pradesh in Nitepak Chute.
India da awon bama puraktana Congress Mukta Bharat haidana Sri Narendra Modi gi achauba kholaw magal wena lakhiba Bharat sinbe thungna silakpan sitse masin mek sengna tai madudi lakadoriba 2019 की लोकसभा इलेक्शन दा अमुक हन्ना भारतीय जनता पार्टी ना भारत मियाम की मिनुंग से थौजाल में गलोइनना बीजेपी दा मियाम की ममल यामलब गणतंत्र के अधिकार दो सिने बिरे हायरगा बीजेपी बु अमुक हन्ना सरकार पहन बिरगा श्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी बु अमुक हन्ना भारत के प्रधानमंत्री ओहिंगनी हायबगी मयक लारब खुदम अमली
MLA Thanga and Chairman of PDA Tongbram Robindro launched a 4-day tree plantation program under the banner Green Thanga Kendra today. The program, organized under the Line Department of NREGS, targets to plant 1,000 trees on both sides of the connecting roads between Kangshoibi and Sandong at Kangshoibi Khongbal under Kha Thinungai Gram Panchayat of Thanga constituency. Block Development Officers Moirang BDO K. Jadumani, officials of different departments and job card holders of Kha Thinungai Gram Panchayat attended the launching event. Speaking on the occasion, T. Robindro maintains that the program was organized with an objective to bring a positive impact on the environment, which is gradually deteriorating day by day. A cleanliness drive under Swachh Bharat Mission (SBM) was carried out by officials of Imphal East District Administration led by Deputy Commissioner T.H. Chitra at the office in Porampat today. Similar drives were also conducted in various government offices in and around Porampat. Speaking on the occasion, T.H. Chitra stated that Imphal East District Administration has been organizing cleanliness drives under the mission in and around the district headquarters since August last year. She said ever since October 2, 2017, the district organizes a cleanliness drive on the 4th Saturday of every month under the banner Swachhta Saturday, with an objective to keep the surrounding neat and clean. Imphal Municipal Council in a press release notified the wholesale retailers to submit their name, a photocopy of a shop license and a list of items available in their shops to its revenue section within 5 days. The council also urged shopkeepers without license to get registered as per Imphal Municipal Council registration and licensing of shop by laws on 1998 within 7 days. Department of Orthopedics, JNIMS and Manipur Orthopedic Society jointly organized the National Bone and Joints Day observation today. The event on the theme Road Safety was held at the Hospital Lecture Hall, MS Office Building of JNIMS. Speaking to media persons, Director of JNIMS, Professor Bhimo said the observance was held with an aim to raise awareness on how to reduce physical disability arising out of the rising accidents. Professor of the Department of Orthopedic JNIMS, Dr. I. Bomcha, stressed the need for more orthopedic surgeons and equipments in the wake of rising accidents in Manipur. He said due to lack of adequate equipments, existing orthopedic surgeons in the hospital are crippled. Dr. Ibomcha appeals to the government to sanction necessary funds for the same. An exhibition on road safety was also held during the event.
Bon senda joins na angang da amadi ahanda nariba laina kaya marumji naina duna masigi karamaina diagnose tawdona matam chana masi layeng horaga punchida disability aidi thabak inghang suba ngamdabadu thoktanaba honanabagi pandamda asuguma numit ase Orthopedic Society of Manipur Jenims ki aikogi staff maru oina orthopedic department ki staff singna pullaga hairiba pandam masida sangjanaba pangthok saban
service si pura functioning oidri Manipur da orthopedic surgeon gi masing yamna wali hane logani leiriba mayam si imphal da oina ayamba concentrate tobona towe aisena yakoina handicap ki masing je statistically yakoina sabchana khotba ngamdragasu nongma nongwi hengalai ne khone loba yagani masigi damakta orthopedic surgeon gi masing hengalam yam dakale.
Doctors and staffs of Chandel District Hospital staged a sit-in in front of the hospital against the vandalization of Thoubal District Hospital premises perpetrated by irate locals on July 28. The incident took place following the death of a drowned boy who was admitted at the hospital on the same day. The people vandalized the hospital and physically assaulted the doctors who were on duty. Various placards were displayed at the protest. Speaking to media persons, a doctor of the hospital termed it unfortunate that people took law into their own hands before finding out the truth. He appeals to the people not to repeat such atrocities in future.
Doctor si miyoi bagi seba tawna bagi damakta hing nungtin umdaba makai imung manung thadok seba tawjaribani masida akoina duty tawriba asida akoigi asoiba ranba yauragasu mob justice tawbagi mahutta aingi oiba logi matung inna cherak pibiba amadi hospital duty tawba sida akoigi batik chaba security pibiu haina akoina media gi thungda haijari akoi masigi thawdok asi matungda anna thon bigano haina media gi thungda khungsa.
Southeast Asia Cultural Organization SIACO in a press release wished the people of the state love, peace, harmony, prosperity, unity and integrity on the occasion of SIACO's Foundation Day on August 5. JSC against Sanjita doping conspiracy and All Kakching Kuno Sports Association condemned International Weightlifting Federation for not lifting the ban imposed on weightlifter Kumukcham Sanjita Chanu. Despite the federation's admission that of committing mistake in the doping test of the weightlifter Sanjita Chanu, there is still apprehensions of being inadmissible in the upcoming Asian Games 2018 if the ban is not lifted. Members of the JSC and the association urged the centre and the state government, Indian Weightlifting Federation, Manipur Weightlifting Federation and Manipur Olympic Association to look into the matter at the earliest. They also pleaded the government and authorities concerned to bear the expenses of the case at International Court of Justice. Speaking to media persons at Manipur Press Club today, member of the JSC, Mayanglambam Binod Kumar, besides the non-lifting of ban on the athlete, the report of B sample test has not been issued yet.
Kumukcham Sanjita Chanuna Tariba da Sasi, Manipur Gatopa Sanori, Amata the Sutaro, Hanga Liting, a sheep Haubuda, Ladiva Kumalampaki Sanaroi, Dugasai, Tongan Tongama Sanaro, singing Makadigi Morels, support Amho, Mating Pangbo, Udi, Ladiva, Mapam Anisigi Sanarosing, so Mating Panganing. Sanjita Chanugi Tamliba Tingba, Mag International Court, Chatpada, Changna Changa Senpam, Hariba Dabi Singasi, Karigumba, Tabo and Ontorok Tragadi, Equi, Miami Matinga Lunan, Choba Kunjang Cats, and Kinabagi the Muktasem Saba, Loiser, Sanoresi, Anishubat, Simple BC, Test on the Mukta Megi Tarik Tarataru, the Logre, Hariba, Tani, Mapung Parabasibo, the Sempelgi, reporting a sea over the Yorok. Hariba reports Yorokta Maram Warega, Magi Makata by hearing Toba, Suyadana lady.
Manipuri Thangta team has left Imphal for Chandigarh to participate in the 7th Thangta Federation Cup to be held from August 9 to 12. Altogether, 120 players, including 10 cultural performers, are taking part in the tournament organized by Skating Rink Sports Department, Chandigarh. The team, flagged off by titular King of Manipur Laishamba Sanajauba, comprised of team coaches H. Kiran Kumar and S. Shyamchandra and team manager S. Tiken. National Sports University Harautel Protection Committee in a press release expressed gratitude to Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Union Minister for Sports Rathore, Chief Minister Biren and relevant members of CSOs at the passing of National Sports University Bill in Lok Sabha yesterday. Kanglei Chess Academy in a press release informed that Patriots Day Junior Blitz Chess Tournament 2018 will be held on August 13. The Academy also stated that details of the tournament can be obtained from its office in Singdamay, Chingamathak, Chongtham Lekai till 12th of this month. Now, before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Unknown individuals vandalized protest shed at MU Gate this morning. Construction items of the shed reportedly stolen. All Manipur United Clubs organization observes the 21st Manipur Integrity Day at the Hall of Manipur Dramatic Union in Yai School. And Working Committee on Updation of NRC in Manipur draws attention of government to update NRC list of Manipur to check entry of illegal immigrants.